Hello students, here we will start new topic of third chapter, inheritance and variation. The new bit of this chapter is the sex determination. This sex determination is the mechanism by which sex is established. It is the mechanism by which sex is established, or the mechanism by which sex is determined. Sex of the child is determined, called as sex determination. The term sex means sexual phenotype. It is not other, it is one type of phenotype. Means when there is a female sex, female reproductive organ is produced. When male, there is a male reproductive organ is produced. This sexual phenotype called as sex. In some species, the organism which having both the sex organ, male reproductive as well as female reproductive organ, these organisms are called as bisexual organisms, or these are also called as hermaphrodite, or these organisms are also called as monoecious. Monoecious means single animal having both the reproductive organ. Or bisexual means both the sex organs are present in single organism, or hermaphrodite. Example of this is already seen in 11th standard. The annelids like earthworm, honeybees, these are the hermaphrodites. They have both the sex organs, male as well as female. Then some organism, in some species, the organism with only one sex having male reproductive system, or organism having female reproductive system. These animals are called as unisexual animals or dioecious. Dioecious means two sexes are separate. Male having male reproductive, female having female reproductive system. Means these organisms are called as dioecious or unisexual. Unisexual means one sex organ only, male or female. Then the German biologist Henke in 1891 studied spermatogenesis, means sperm formation process in the squash bug. It is one type of bug, it is one type of insect. The zoological name of that is Anassa tricyst. This squash bug spermatogenesis observed by this Henke science biologist. He observed that 50% sperm receive unpaired chromosome and 50% chromosome does not receive this unpaired chromosome. Means 50% this chromosome receive unpaired chromosome. This is termed by this Henke as an X body. This chromosome or this which is unpaired called as X bodies, and he does not explain why these X bodies are important, play an important role in the sex determination. It does not explain about sex determination role of this X body. But further investigation by the other scientist, which is established or which is invented by this Henke. This project is then investigated by other scientists, and they observed that this X body is nothing but the X chromosome. They know that the X chromosome, this X body known as X chromosome. Then we see the sex determination. There are three types of chromosomal mechanism of sex determination. One example, sex determination in human being. Another example, sex determination in bird. And third example is the sex determination in a honeybee. Here first we will see the sex determination in human beings. Human being, this chromosomal mechanism of sex determination is of XXXY type. Which type of sex determination found in human being? Is the XXXY type. In bird, ZZZW type, and in honeybee, haploid diploid type. That is the type of sex determination. Somatic cell of human being. Every somatic cell, eye cell, heart cell, lung cell, muscle cell, all cells, somatic cells of human body, their cell nucleus contain 46 chromosomes. How many chromosomes? 46 chromosomes, and pairs are 23. How many pairs? 23 pairs of chromosomes are present in each somatic nucleus, cell nucleus. Out of these 23 pairs, 22 pairs are autosomes and 1 pair is sex chromosome. Out of these 23 pairs, 22 pairs are of autosomes. Autosomes, they determine somatic characters like lungs, body, eye, heart. All these are the somatic or body character. These are determined by these autosomes. And this 1 pair of sex chromosome determines sex of the child. Genotype of human female is 44 autosome plus XX. This 1 pair of sex chromosome in female is XX. This 44 autosomes and 1 pair, the single pair is XX in female, and in male 44 autosome and this 1 pair is XY. Means the human female having 2 similar sex chromosomes X and X. So human female called as homomorphic female, and human male having 2 types of sex chromosome. One is X and another is Y. So human male is called as heteromorphic male. Then we will see the ratio, how 1:1 ratio is applied. Right? This human male having genotype like 44 autosome plus XY, and human female genotype having 44 autosome plus XX. This female is homomorphic and male is heteromorphic, having 2 types of sex chromosome, having similar type of sex chromosome. The human male testes having germ cells, diploid germ cells. Diploid means 2 in number. These germ cells by meiosis division produces sperms. Testes germ cells by meiosis produces sperm. And female ovary germ cells, which is diploid, produces ova or eggs by meiosis. These are the haploid eggs and these are the haploid sperms. Meiosis division is nothing but the reduction division. So these germ cells are diploid, but these gametes are haploid, sperms are haploid. 22 autosomes out of 44, out of 1, only 1 single X is here, Y is here. Only 1 means 23 chromosome in 23 chromosome. Divide होतात दोघांमध्ये 46 क्रोमोसोम मध्ये 23 एका स्पर्म मध्ये 23 दुसऱ्या स्पर्म मध्ये जातात. Meiosis division. Here in male testes having germ cells, diploid germ cells, after meiosis produces sperm called as spermatogenesis. Process ला काय म्हटलं जातं? Spermatogenesis. Female ovary after meiosis germ cell produces egg or ova. This process called as oogenesis. By oogenesis produces ova, by spermatogenesis produces sperm in testes, in ovary. These are here human male produces 2 types of sperm. One sperm having X chromosome and another sperm having Y chromosome. One sperm having X chromosome, another sperm having Y chromosome, means 2 types of sperms are produced by male. So human male called as heterogametic. 2 types of gametes produced, so called as heterogametic. And human female produces 1 type of egg. One having X, another having X, means 1 type, single type. All are similar. 1 type of egg are produced. Here 2 types of sperm are produced. Here 1 type of egg are produced. So human female similar type, 1 type, so called as homogametic, and 2 types of sperm produced, so called as heterogametic. Hetero means two different. Homo means similar. Two similar type of eggs produce. Two different type of egg sperm produce. So called as human male called as heterogametic and human female called as homogametic. When a sperm containing X chromosome fuses with any egg, because all eggs are one type, only X type. When this X type of sperm fuses with this any egg or any ova, then form XX, receive XX chromosome. 22 plus 22, 44 autosome and sex chromosome X and this X. This zygote, here sperm and egg when fuses, fertilizes, form diploid zygote. This haploid sperm and haploid egg fuses, form diploid zygote. This diploid zygote develop into human female. कशामध्ये डेव्हलप होतं हे डिप्लॉइड झायगोट, इट डेव्हलप इनटू ह्यूमन female. Then this zygote after fusion form diploid. Haploid sperm fuses with haploid egg, form a diploid zygote. This zygote develop into XY means male child. It develop into male child. And this XX develop into female child. This zygote develop into female child. Where these two zygote develop into male child. These two are developed into female and these two are developed into male. When we put it into the Punnett square, these are the male and female. Male two gamete XY, female gamete XX, XX female, XY male, XX female, XY male. Two XX means female and these are the male. How many male? 50% male and 50% females are produced. Means developing child, chances of sex is 50-50%. Child may be female, child may be male. The chances are 50-50%. In large population, the sex ratio is 1:1. Like America, this sex ratio is 1:1. Here, the heterogametic condition. The female is homogametic, but human male is heterogametic, having two type of or producing two type of sperm. When X type of sperm fertilizes any egg, produces female child. When Y type of sperm fuses with any egg, produces female child. Means which type of sperm fertilizes the egg is important. Not the egg. Which is important? Sperms are important. When X sperm fertilizes the egg, they form female child. When Y sperm fertilizes the egg, form the male child. Means which sperm fertilizes the egg is important. Means father is or male is responsible for sex determination in human beings, not the mother. Father is responsible for sex determination, not the mother. म्हणजे चाइल्डचं सेक्स काय असायला पाहिजे हे कोण ठरवतंय? तर फादर ठरवतो, not the mother. Yeah, but there is a illiteracy, no known about this education in rural area, and so females are blamed for producing female child. But what is the fact? Father is responsible for the sex determination in human being. Here we will see the next type of sex determination in bird. Sex determination in birds. Chromosomal mechanism of sex determination in bird is of ZZZW type. In human being there is a XXXY type. In bird, the type of sex determination is ZZZW type. Chromosomal mechanism of sex determination is of ZZZW type. In birds, females are heterogametic. In human being, males are heterogametic. Here, females are heteromorphic heterogametic. In human being, males are heteromorphic heterogametic. So, in human, male is responsible for sex determination, and in bird, female is responsible for sex determination. How it is possible? Here, this male having 2N plus ZZ chromosome. ZZ means male are homomorphic, and female having 2N plus ZW. ZW means 2 type of sex chromosome, means bird female is heteromorphic. Bird male produces similar type or one type of sperm having Z and Z only, both having ZZ chromosome, one type of sperm. But bird female produces 2 type of egg, one having Z and another having W sex chromosome. This is received by one, this is received by one. Means half of egg of Z type, half of egg of W type. This N plus Z, N plus W. Means 2 type of eggs or ova are produced by female bird. Means female bird is heterogametic, produces 2 type of gametes. These are the gametes. 2 type of gamete, here 1 type of gamete, homogametic, 2 type of gamete, these are heterogametic. Bird female is heterogametic. When this Z containing egg fertilizes with any sperm, means having ZZ means produces a male bird. When this W type of egg fertilizes with any type of sperm having ZW means female bird. Means which type of egg fertilizes? When Z type of egg fertilizes with any egg, ZZ produces male. When W type of egg fertilizes with any sperm, ZW means it produces female. Here eggs are important. In human being, sperms are important. Here eggs are important. Which eggs are fertilized by sperm is important. When Z type of egg fertilizes, produces male child. When W type of egg fertilizes, produces female child. Means who is heterogametic? Female is heterogametic. So female is responsible. When 2 type of eggs produce, he is responsible. Here she is responsible. Female is responsible for sex determination. In human being, male is heterogametic, so male or father is responsible for sex determination, and in bird, female is heterogametic, produces 2 type of eggs, so female is responsible for sex determination. Then we will see the next type of sex determination. Sex determination in honeybee. Third type. Chromosomal mechanism of sex determination in honeybee is haploid diploid type. In human being, XXXY type, in bird, ZZZW type, and in honeybee, haploid diploid type. Honeybee, there are 3 type of caste: queen, worker, and drones. Queen and workers both are female, and drones are male. Here, in honeybee, females are diploid, means 2n number of chromosomes, means 32 chromosomes. But honeybee male are haploid, having n number of chromosomes, means 16 chromosome only. Means 2 set of chromosome present in female, only 1 set of chromosome present in male. This diploid female produces haploid eggs by meiosis division. This diploid female produces haploid. N इकडे गेला haploid झाले हे 2n चे n 32 मध्ये 16 इकडे means haploid eggs are produced by female by which division? Meiosis division. And male produces sperm by mitosis division, because when reduction division meiosis, then 8 chromosomes are divided, then no diploid sets of chromosomes are maintained. So which type of division takes place? Mitosis. In male, mitosis by mitosis division produces sperm. When this haploid egg fertilizes with haploid sperm, 2n plus 2n is equal to 2n means 16 plus 16, 32 means diploid means female offspring produced. They may be worker or they may be queen. These offsprings are queen or worker. Which type of feed it fed by workers? When this maggot is fed by honey, it develop into worker. When it feed by royal jelly, it develop into queen. These are the diploid females. When this egg, unfertilized egg, this female produces two type of egg, fertilized egg and this is the unfertilized egg. This unfertilized egg develop into unfertilized haploid. This is also haploid, one set of chromosome. This unfertilized egg developed into haploid males. Haploid means which offspring is developed, male means drone is developed. जगाच्या पाठीवर असं काहीच ॲनिमल्स मध्ये होतं. जनरली फर्टिलायझेशन झालं नाही तर यंग वन प्रोड्यूस होत नाही, परंतु यांच्यामध्ये फर्टिलायझेशन झालं तर फिमेल प्रोड्यूस होतात, फर्टिलायझेशन नाही झालं तर मेल प्रोड्यूस होतात. Fertilized egg produces male, unfertilized or without fertilization produces male. This without fertilization process, without fertilization, young one is developed. This process is called as parthenogenesis. By parthenogenesis, this haploid egg develop into haploid male. Means young one when receive one set of chromosome develop into male, and when two sets receive develop into female. Means how many sets received by young one determines sex of the child. When one set received, haploid means male. When two sets receive, diploid condition means female. This is the third type of sex determination.